first glance of looking at this particular product, it looks like a regular desktop gadget, but don't be deceived by the look. It comes with lots of things attached to it. It comes with a RGB light, it comes with the RGB light, it comes with a wireless charging deck, it comes with Bluetooth speaker, as you can see over here. It comes with a TF memory card support, and it comes with a alarm clock. The main question is, does it actually work very well? Now let's get into the video.
Now let's talk about the first impression. So the first time I got this particular product, it looks very nice. As you can see under it comes with 4 legs. It looks very white, very minimal. It looks like something that you are going to drop on a table, on a desk, or close to you. It comes with different colors that makes the place look cozy and homely. So from the design and from the build quality, it's very durable and it looks very good. I like the product, and it comes with the product and the cable. You can see
Family on any surface, whether on the table or any place, and it looks very clean and white. And one thing about it, it has a different type of shape which looks like a G in shape. It looks like a G if you can see it from any angle. And the product is very lightweight. It's very light, not that heavy to carry around, and it's very durable, as I can see, very durable.
Now let's talk about buttons and display. At the front, there is a digital display that shows the current time. Next to the display, there are 4 buttons. These buttons allow you to adjust the time, control music playback, change volumes, and switch to different modes. The buttons are easy to reach and very simple to use. So it looks great, and you can use it for the music and for the alarm.
And let's talk about the charging and wireless charging part of it. So as you can see, it comes with a charging port. It comes with a charging port, and to be sincere, it's one of the slowest charging wireless charging dock you can ever get, because this particular product is very cheap. You can see the dock. It supports 5 watts, which is like it's very slow. That means if you want to use this particular stuff for charging your phone, that means mostly overnight. You can't use it on daytime. I prefer you use a straight wire, which is a PD wire, Type C to Type C. I don't recommend using it, but unless you want to charge your phone overnight, I recommend it. But it's very clean and minimal. It's okay, and especially for the price, and supporting wireless 5-watt charging. It's very nice. I would recommend it if you want to use it overnight, but I won't recommend it if you are using it for the day. Talk about the RGB light. So as you can see from the video, it has an RGB light, which is very nice. And secondly, once you are charging the product, I'm going to show you the overview. Once you are charging the product, it's going to be showing you the RGB light under here. So you can even on the RGB light, you can even do the moding. It has mode from over there, so you can change the different colors of the RGB light. That is one thing I like. It gives this particular product a calm feeling, especially in the night, especially when the place is dark. It gives it one very loving and a romantic feeling. That is, it makes this particular product unique, and that is one thing I love about the product. In this one, let's talk about the connectivity and the ports. As you can see, it supports a Bluetooth connectivity. It comes with a Bluetooth maybe 2.0 or a worse, like a very horrible version of the Bluetooth. And secondly, it comes with a TF card, which is also a micro SD card. You can slot your micro SD card inside it and play your music firmly and nice. And also it comes with an aux cable. You can connect your laptop. You can even connect a speaker to the aux cable. And lastly, it comes with a Type C. It supports a 5-watt also. That means it takes around maybe 2 hours or less to charge it from 0 to full. Yeah. Lastly, let's talk about the speaker. As you can see from here, this is the speaker grab. So to be sincere, it does not have the best speaker. The speaker is horrible. The speaker sounds worse than a phone speaker. I won't recommend using the speaker. The speaker is only good for the alarm clock. You can use it to listen to maybe radio, podcast, but I prefer you buy a nice speaker. I don't like the speaker at all. but it's still manageable. It comes with the product. You can try it. You can connect your memory card. Like I said earlier, you can connect your speaker, your laptop. You can even use Bluetooth. You can even use your phone, iPad, or anything to connect Bluetooth to the speaker. But for me, I've not used. I've not used the speaker once. I only tried once when I bought it new, but I'm not going to try it again. So I don't recommend the speaker, and I don't even like it. I only use it for alarm. Okay. So on the conclusion aspect of it, so if you are looking for a table gadget, like a nice gadget that comes with lots of things, wireless charging, RGB, alarm clock, speaker, Bluetooth, and Type-C charging, aux and TF, memory card, SD memory card. So I would recommend you to buy it. It's very affordable. So this was buy around like 10,000 naira, making it around maybe $6 or $7. So it's a very cheap product. About the speaker, I don't recommend the speaker. I don't use the speaker, as I said earlier in the video. It's mostly for alarm. I have my own speaker, so I do have another. I even have two speakers. This is my speaker. As if I bought an Anchor speaker, but I don't recommend you buying this thing for a speaker. But it's good for the alarm, and the RGB is very nice. So if you are looking for all-in-one product that comes with the wireless charging dock, RGB, alarm clock, and music, this thing, you can use it. But if you want to use it for speaker, I don't recommend. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, you can give it a thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe so I can reach more people. Thank you very much. Bye.